How to verify domain on your Shopify account within some seconds on your PC. For this, open official Shopify website in front of you and then you should click on available official website and then you can log into your Shopify store after clicking on the login option. Now, once you're logged into your account, here is a all of setting of your account. Here you can see the home page, order section, the product section, customers, and many more. You have to click on the setting on the left bottom of the screen, and then here on the left you can see there is a lot of option, but one option also that is domain. You have to click on the Shopify domain, and from this menu you can search the domain and you can connect the existing domain from this menu. Once you will click on the connect existing domain, you will have to enter the domain here and then click on the next option. Then it will demand for an verification OTP, the one-time password verification on your domain. Then you can simply verify it. So this is how you can actually verify your domain on your Shopify. Thank you so much for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates like this.